A continuous probability distribution is a function that describes the probabilities of a continuous random variable taking on any value within a certain range or interval. A continuous random variable is a random variable that can take on any value within a certain range rather than a finite or countably infinite number of distinct values. The probability distribution function of a continuous random variable assigns probability to ranges of values rather than specific values. This function is often represented by a probability density function or PDF, which describe the relative likelihood of different ranges of values. The PDF of a continuous random variable must satisfy the two conditions. Number one, the PDF must be non-negative for all value of the random variable. Number two, the integral of the PDF over the entire range of the random variable must be equal to 1. The cumulative distribution function of or CDF of a continuous random variable is the probability that variable takes on a value less than or equal to a certain value. The CDF is defined as the integral of the PDF from negative infinity up to the value of the random variable. F of x equals the probability that x is less than or equal to x, which is the integral from negative infinity to x of the probability density function f of t dt from negative infinity to x. The PDF and CDF of a continuous random variable can be used to calculate probabilities of different events or outcomes. For example, suppose that the height of people in a certain population follows a normal distribution within mean mu equals to 170 cm and standard deviation sigma equals to 10 cm. What is the probability that a random chosen individual is between 160 cm and 180 cm tall? To solve this problem, you can use the CDF of the normal distribution to calculate the probability that the height of an individual is less than or equal to 180 cm and subtract the probability that the height is less than or equal to 160 cm from this value. This gives the probability that the height is between 160 cm and 180 cm. Probability of 160 cm is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 180 equals probability of x is less than or equal to 180 cm minus probability of x is less than or equal to 160 cm equals f of 180 minus f of 160. Using a standard normal distribution table or calculator, you can find that f of 180 cm equals to 0.9332 and f of 160 cm equals to 0.0228. Therefore, the probability that a random chosen individual is between 160 cm and 180 cm tall is 0.9332 minus 0.0228 equals to 0.9104 or 91.04%.